Hey everyone! So I have some paints that I'm trying to delete off of the massive paint wall in front of me. So I'm going to start using them up and start doing just some flip cups or dirty pours with them. But today we are going to do 5 flip and dirty, I think. Because I think what I'll do is flip it and then whatever's left over I'll run through. So I have Artist Loft Brilliant Magenta, Premier Deep Turquoise, Artist Loft Aqua, and I also have Craft Smart Ocean Breeze. That's pretty much the same color. Artist Loft Light Blue, I have just a tiny bit. I'm going to put in some of the Artist Loft Iridescent Medium mixed with the Prussian Blue from Grumbacher just for contrast. Artist Loft Ultramarine Blue, Artist Loft Light Violet, and Fine Touch Deep Violet from Master's Touch. Okay, I did spray my cups with the WD-40 silicone spray, so we are good to go. And I am going to use up some of this white that I have sitting here. I'm just pouring them in. No specific order, no plan. I have no plan. I'm going to throw some copper in here just to give us some shine. Wow, that was hard to find that word. Okay. Premier Deep Turquoise. We may get mud, I don't know, but I just want to use these up, not wasting paint. I think I'll go dark. Just a shot of white again, just a little bit. Okay, let's see how much we have in here. Not much. That one's for Alan. Some ultramarine blue. And some more copper. These all have silicone. Our paint mixing videos are right below this video in the description box. We have for the paint pouring mix as well as the base coat. Okay, and some dark color here. And let's use up this white. We may already have. Okay, good enough. So let's see, what is my plan? I think I'll flip 3 and use 2 for a dirty pour. So I'm going to flip this one here. We'll do every other one. Okay. I like to go in and put ribbons in, so. All my paint is releasing because we use the WD-40 silicone spray. Already got a caterpillar on that one. They're so different, aren't they? Same colors, different patterns. Alright. I'll give that a swirl. just going to put that there on the corner to get rid of that. And then this one, we're going to bring through this way. But I also want to come this way, since we have so much of a gap here. We'll put this on the end so we can pour off. Now that deep violet really showed up in that cup, didn't it? Yay! I'm all about color. So let me get it all together here. So we have some that's not touching. Not digging the magenta in there, but like I said, I wanted to use up some paints today. And hoping that we'll get some cells coming through those ribbons that I put in. Because if not, we're going to be stuck with a pile of copper. This corner did not cover. We will help it along. Okay. It's interesting. I almost want to pour that purple off, because it kind of looks stuck there, doesn't it? Let me bring this down, because then I can go ahead and hit this corner first. It's just not wanting to go there. Okay. Alright, let's take that off. Go, baby, go. Alright. Now we'll bring it back. That's funny. Stuck right there in the middle. Okay, let's give it a torch. I just cleaned my torch, so of course it's going to misbehave. Lots of copper coming up through that blue. That is the deep turquoise. And if you've been watching me a while, you know that I am not afraid of color. I will throw 20 different colors in a cup just to see what happens. So I came in with a plan to use up paint, and I actually am kind of digging this. Except for that. That little stinker right there. I'm going to take my skewer and see if I can at least pull the white out from that. It's not going to let me. But maybe it'll give it some character when it dries, right? Okay, I kind of like this. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click below. Click on that bell to be notified when we upload new videos. Click like and share, leave a comment. Join our group on Facebook, the Parage Posse. Check out my art page, Christina Welch Art. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. And hit up our Etsy